Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the exact cells to process. This matters because Excel can remove entire rows versus cell-level duplicates. Select the range now and make a quick copy to a new sheet so you can recover data if needed. Once done, decide if you need row-level dedupe or just key columns. This determines the method you'll use. Make sure column headers are accurate. Excel treats headers differently. Now move on to the Remove Duplicates tool for immediate action. You open data, then remove duplicates. This is the simplest route. Check My Data has headers if your first row labels fields, otherwise Excel might remove a header row. Select the columns that define duplication. Choose multiple columns to require exact matches or one column for looser matching. Once you confirm, Excel will report how many duplicates were removed and how many unique rows remain. If the result looks off, undo and refine the selected keys before repeating. You finish by validating results. Use conditional formatting to highlight remaining duplicates so you can visually confirm. For tricky cases, extra spaces, case differences, or inconsistent punctuation, create a helper column using trim, lower, and substitute to normalize values, then dedupe on that column. Once satisfied, delete helper columns. If something goes wrong, press Ctrl+Z immediately to revert, or restore from the backup sheet you made at the start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.